Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put on an INH Hair pony if you have really thick hair. I'm also going to be reviewing the Ombré Brit pony from dark brown to sandy blonde, and I'm also going to be reviewing the Mocha Melt Lola pony. As always, timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. I got you guys. And while you're here, why not subscribe? So first of all, I just want to remind you guys I do have a discount code with INH Hair. It is Phae15. If you end up purchasing from INH Hair, please feel free to use my code and tag me in your post. I would love to see your fits. Now, I did receive these ponies in exchange for doing a review video for you guys, but as always, my reviews are 100% honest and 100% my own. So first up, let's do the tutorial. Tutorial time. First, you want to spray your hair with water. And then brush your hair back into a high ponytail. You can go higher than me. My hair is super short, so this is as high as I can go. By the way, don't mind my cat in the background. She's just having zoomies. The key to having a secure pony is in your hair ties. Actually, INH Hair sells some that work really well. I then take some gel to calm the flyaways. Technically, you can use a flyaway brush, but I was lazy. You know how it is. Afterwards, I braid my pony and I tuck it into the ponytail. And now you're ready to put the pony on. Before putting it on, don't forget you have a tester piece to see how well the hair matches to you. Once you have the pony, you want to put the clip in between your scalp and hair tie, and then wrap the end piece around the Velcro. Then you take the two bobby pins, which INH Hair provides, and pin the wrap to your scalp, and voila! There you go. So I've done a review on the Brit ponytail before. So this is focusing on the ombre. Now I really love this because it's dark brown, and obviously dark brown is the color of my hair. So it really does look as if I do have like that ombre transition. So I really feel like it gives that illusion that I have ombre hair going on. It's giving Ariana Grande vibes at the Met Gala. I love this color. I wish this color was on my scalp at times, but my scalp just does not like when that color is on it. So this is a way to bring back that blonde ponytail of my dreams in a way. So here's some stats about the Brit ponytail. She is 26 inches long and has a soft wave at the bottom. She also weighs 175 grams. I would say if you're really sensitive in the scalp area, maybe it would be a good idea to start off with something a little bit lighter like the Lola pony, and then seeing how that feels before you buy the Brit ponytail. Personally, I have no feeling in my scalp most of the time, so I usually don't have any problems with ponies or anything of that matter. And the way that I put on the pony itself also takes off a lot of added pressure to my scalp, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I love the Brit ponytail. I definitely feel like she gives that extra oomph, and for that, I'm gonna have to give her a 5 out of 5. Now next up, I'm gonna be putting on the Lola ponytail, and this is in the Mocha Melt.
Sudden gaze and time it started racing.
So this is the Mocha Melt Lola pony, and here are some stats about her. She is 17 inches long, she's mid-length with a swoop, and she weighs 145 grams. Now the Lola pony is tied with the Shayla pony as one of my all-time favorite ponies. I wear them all the time. This is my first time experiencing that chunky highlight texture on pony. I genuinely didn't think that this would look good on me in any way, shape, or capacity. But looking it on me, I am genuinely starting to feel myself. This ponytail and the color specifically remind me a lot of J-Lo, because I feel like she has this color a lot of the time. But I think it's really cute. I think they did a really good job of the coloring. Basically, this is a mixture of dark brown and honey, which again is why it ties really well with my hair, because again, I have dark brown up here, and with the honey highlights, it looks like it was naturally made this way and my hair is supposed to look like this. So I'm gonna give this ponytail a 5 out of 5. I think it does a beautiful job with the coloring, and the Lola pony is absolute perfection in my opinion. Again, reminder, if you end up purchasing from INH Hair, please feel free to use my code Phae15. So that concludes my tutorial on how to put on the INH Hair pony with thick hair, and also my little mini review on the Mocha Melt Lola pony and the Ombre dark brown to sandy blonde. I hope you guys found this video very informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other INH Hair videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!